Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anika and today I will show you how to make 3 different patriotic popsicles for 4th of July. The basic ingredients to make them are 2 cups of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The rest of the ingredients are 1 cup of raspberries, sprinkles, and 6 to 8 butterfly pea flowers. The first step is to puree the raspberries. So I'm just going to add in the raspberries to the blender. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of water so that it blends more easily. And now I'm going to go blend. Now I'm going to strain the puree so that I can catch all the seeds. Now that the raspberry puree is ready, I'm going to now do the blue. So I'm going to pour a tablespoon of water into the blue butterfly pea flowers. And now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds so that the water can start to turn blue. Now you can see that the water turned blue. Now I'm going to whip all the base ingredients together using a mixer, and I'm whipping it so that after it's whipped, it becomes creamy. And now I'm going to lock it and put it on about like a medium speed. Now we're gonna make the blue. So I'm gonna take the whipped yogurt and cream mixture and I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Now I'm going to add in the blue water. Now the blue is ready. The first popsicle is called the red, white, and blue popsicle. The way it's going to be made is 1/3 will be filled with red, 1/3 of it will be filled with white, and 1/3 of blue. So now I'm just going to fill up 1/3 with red. Now that that's done, the second popsicle is called the Star Spangled Banner Popsicle. So half of it will be filled with red and the other half will be blue, and then I'm going to add a white star in it. So I'm just going to fill up half of it with the red. Now I'm going to freeze them. Now I'm gonna put the second layer using the whipped yogurt and cream mixture. So I'm just going to put a thin layer on this one. And now I'm going to fill up 1/3, the next 1/3 of this space with the white. And now I'm going to put these back in the freezer to harden. Now we're going to make the stars. So I'm just going to take the whipped yogurt and cream and pour it into the molds. I filled up some of them only halfway because if these ones don't fit, I'll just use the thinner ones. Now I'm going to place these in the freezer to harden. Now it's time to put in the third and the final layer. So I'm going to fill this one the rest of the way with the blue. Now I'm just gonna put the stick back inside. Now I'm gonna set this to the side and then we'll work on this one. So these are the stars that have hardened, and I'm going to take, since the big ones, they won't fit inside, I'm going to take 2 of the smaller ones. If you have a bigger popsicle mold, you might be able to use the bigger stars. So I'm going to put this on the side. Now I'm gonna fill the rest of it up with the blue. Now I'm going to put the stick back inside and I'm going to freeze both of these popsicles. The third and last popsicle is the firework popsicle. So I'm just going to layer the whipped yogurt and cream mixture with the sprinkles. I'm gonna close it and put it in the freezer to harden. And here's the end result of the 3 different patriotic popsicles. It tastes so good. You should really try it, and it'll be great on, say, like a hot summer day to cool you down. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!